Ever wondered how IT operations manage the complexity of multi-tier microservices, big data, and hybrid cloud? The world of IT has evolved, and so has the complexity. Traditional three-tier applications are now interconnected multi-tier microservices, running across multiple data centers and regions in the hybrid cloud. The challenge? Managing and extracting valuable insights from the ever-expanding data tiers and massive big data farms. The combined complexity of multi-tier microservices, big data and hybrid cloud demands an AI-based system rather than traditional incident detection and troubleshooting. This is where artificial intelligence for IT operations, or AIOps, comes into play. Picture a system that can provide comprehensive real-time information and 360-degree visibility into the hybrid cloud environment. AIOps is that system, and it's here to revolutionize IT operations. With the ever-expanding complexity of multi-tier microservices, big data and hybrid cloud, traditional methods of incident detection and troubleshooting just can't keep up. Without AIOps, organizations are at risk. A single outage or a misdiagnosed root cause can halt an organization's digital journey in its tracks. But with AIOps, IT operations can proactively remediate incidents, enhancing application performance to new heights. AIOps is the transformation which the IT ops must undergo, along with large-scale, organization-wide digital transformation. But what does this transformation look like, and why is it so crucial? Let's imagine a world where IT operations are empowered to proactively address incidents, even before they impact the business. A world where application performance gets a significant boost, and efficiency is the new normal. That's the promise of AIOps. This cutting-edge discipline streamlines monitoring processes, making them more efficient than ever before. But the benefits don't stop there. AIOps also paves the way for faster and more efficient infrastructure management. It's like having a high-tech autopilot for your IT operations, steering smoothly through the complexities of the digital landscape. AIOps is not just a trend, it's a necessity for efficient IT operations in today's complex digital landscape.